you allow someone else to control your car, your vehicle, from the driver's seat, and you sit in the passenger seat, you can't tell them how to drive your car. They're driving it. You gave them the control to drive your vehicle. And when I'm using that term, that terminology, because it's the same way when you're networking yourself. This is your body. This is your skills and talents. So you need to learn how to network yourself individually. There's nothing wrong with partnering up with someone, but you never give no one permission to drive your vehicle while you're in it and you don't have no say-so. Think about it. You know, if you're going to get someone to drive your vehicle, you need to trust them. You need to know them good, because your life is in their hands. So when you're networking with these other companies, keep that in mind. It's always better to network for yourself. It's always better to spread your own seeds, drop off your own resumes, build your own flyers, have your own business card, knock on your own doors, get your own work. But if you got to sit back and you got to wait on them to bring you some work, then it's always going to be some BS. Or they're going to always control how long you got to be there or what you got to do in order for you to get hired on, if that's what you're looking for. So to my people networking with staffing companies, there's nothing wrong with it. Just don't let them control how you get your bag. You got to remember, at the end of the day, you are in control of your destiny. You are the one doing the work. You are the one getting all the tools and having all the equipment and took all the tests and keeping your PPE up to date. It's you. So learn how to network you, and don't allow others to network you to get a bag off of you, and you barely getting by.